In today's video, we're going to be looking at Windows 10 built-in tips and how we can get the most out of their tip center. In order to bring up tips, we can access the Start menu and search for tips. Following this, we can launch the application and see all sorts of useful tips and tricks that can help us get the most out of our operating system. We can even search tips if we're not too sure on what we need. Once a tip shows up on the screen, we can press the Windows key and the J key, and this will bring the focus to that tip, allowing us to explore more similar tips that could also possibly help us. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for information on IT support, cloud services, Office 365 and many more services.